Okay guys, this is the drip from my AC, and this is how they do it in new construction. They, instead of having the PVC outside of the house, they hook it up here on this sink. This is my sink, and usually the new constructions is they put it here. So what happened is the condensation, it creates clogs here. There's some thing here that solidifies, and this clogs, and it starts drifting and damaging my cabinet. So I remove this flexible connector, and I'll show you guys how it works. Look at this gunk here. See those? Like jelly type thing. So that clogs this elbow, and it's preventing the water to flow freely to the under sink. But the problem is, if you let this unclean, the water, the condensation will go back up, and it will overflow the pan, and it will overflow to your ceiling, and it creates more damage. So what we're going to do is get any piece of anything that you can get, like this one. You can get it from Home Depot, or this, or any wire, so we can clean this out. Dang, it's hard. It's hard like a clay. So it takes a lot of effort to clean this gunk. Dang, it's hard like a clay. So we're gonna do both sides. Oh my lord! There's a lot more here on the top. Takes a lot of effort. Oh Lord. And after you clean this up, it's better to pour some vinegar on the, you go up in the attic and on the pan. Put some vinegar or anything that can unclog. See that? See that thing? Dang, it's like a jelly type thing. This guy here, it's like a snake whistle, and it works like this. It's a cool, like, spin it. Oh my god, my blue tape. And see how it works on top. Oh shoot. Okay. So what happened is you snap it, locked in place, and just spin it. See how much I'm getting out. You see the gunk I'm getting out of this. See that? See that? See that? So far we're doing good. Those are the amount of gunk that's able to get out. 90 degrees elbow. I think we're almost done, but to make sure we have to add some degreaser or something that will melt all the fingers. Missing done. Going to reinstall this guy, and it has different configuration. You might have longer flexible connector. Mine is short, so we're gonna reinstall it. It's been fully inserted. Let's tighten this up for the final twist. I think we're good.